Hey guys, today I'm here. This is my ex school. I'm gonna show you. This is the art. Yeah, man. I'm gonna show you later. Check it out. This is cow. Santa is right over here, and this is